Are fungus gnats taking the joy out of your indoor gardening? Are they making your seed starting setup start to feel more like a gnat farm? Here's a couple of quick tips to help you get that gnat problem under control. First, get yourself some sticky traps. They can be little ones like this to just set in the side of pots. Or if you have a big setup like me, you might want something that's a little larger to hang. You can hang the full sheets like this, or cut them into thirds or halves and hang smaller parts above your plants, like you can see above mine here. That will get rid of the adult gnats. To get rid of the larvae and keep them from turning into adults, get yourself some of this BTi. This is Bacillus thuringiensis israelis, and you can get it in mosquito dunks or mosquito bits. Those two items will go a long way to helping control the gnat problem. The next thing you need to do is start bottom watering your plants and allow the top few centimeters of soil to dry out. Those things will help to get the gnat problem under control and make your indoor gardening more enjoyable. If you want more information about identifying fungus gnats and how to control them and their life cycle, then check out the longer video that I'll have linked below. If you're interested in how to get these products, I'll also put links for those. Happy gardening!